the session. Okay, and go to my I'm gonna start sharing the screen. I'm also logged into my cell phone to make sure that I could see the screen. So let me do that real quick. Log back in. Accidentally logged myself out. Okay, so the WM is also me. So all right, so let me share the screen real quick, and I'm gonna share this screen, but I also want to share this screen here. All right, so going forward, March 1st, I'm launching my new trading academy called Forex Titans Academy. And this academy is going to pretty much focus on the following. What I'm going to be teaching is how to trade the foreign exchange markets and indices, how to analyze and read charts, what indicators to use that will help you with your entries and exits, how to write a winning trading plan that works, member benefits, access to the Forex Titans Academy. So I'm going to be creating an academy with video training modules that's coming soon. Our trading bot, I'm going to be connecting with someone tomorrow that's going to be showing me their trading bot. And I'm going to give you guys access to that trading bot once you become a member. Everybody that's already a member of my chat gets in for free. But going forward, anybody after March 1st or on March 1st will have to pay the $295 to get lifetime access to this training. You'll also have access to my private trading community on Telegram, and also you get access to the live weekly Forex trading bot boot camp held on Saturdays, just like this one right here. So I was going to charge $495, but I'm going to drop the price down to $295 lifetime access. This may change depending on how many people I sign up. Okay, and right now, March 1st, I'll be taking payments through Cash App, Zelle, and if nobody has Cash App, you can go ahead and click this link here to get Cash App to forward your monthly the lifetime $295. And here I have a link down here for a challenge, because once you start becoming very profitable and you understand exactly what you're doing, you want to go ahead and start a challenge with one of the prop firms that I recommend during this link right here. You want to click on the yellow portion to get access to that prop firm. And on the bottom, you also get access to some great savings programs that I put in here to help you save some money. That way you can have enough money to trade with, right? Because bottom line, you should never have to pay retail prices for anything. When you click on that link, you'll know exactly what I'm talking about. That way you can save some money on your everyday shopping. Grab your cash back through shopping, cash back when you supermarket shop, and there's also some, you can grab money. Okay, I'll put some links on there that we can actually grab some money, free money. So when you get a chance, go ahead and review that link at your leisure. Okay, so I want to share that real quick. One of the things I've been doing is creating some extra funds for myself through referral marketing. So what you want to do, if you want to earn some additional referral income, I encourage you to sign up for Warrior Plus. It's a free platform that you can actually promote other people's products and services by requesting becoming a reseller of their product or service. They'll give you a link, and then all you really got to do is promote that link. One of the ways I've been promoting my links is through my not only Facebook page, but also my YouTube channel. As you can see over here on the far right, I've actually earned, okay, hold on. It's not sharing. Why isn't it not sharing? Apologies. Okay, here we go. So let's go back. Okay, so okay, it wasn't sharing, so I got to pretty much start over. It's okay. So we're gonna get this going. Okay, so launching a new academy called Forex Titans Academy on March the 1st. There's only one way to trade. It's a simple way. It's called the Forex Titans way. What I'm going to be teaching is how to trade the foreign exchange markets and indices, how to analyze and read charts, what indicators to use that will help you with your entries and exits, how to write a winning trading plan that works. Member benefits will be the following: access to the Forex Titans Academy, which I'll be creating a video tutorial academy for you guys to get access to. It's included in a lifetime access. A trading bot. I'm going to be talking to a gentleman tomorrow. He's going to be discussing his trading bot, and if it makes sense, I'll be offering that trading bot to you guys absolutely free within the $295 membership. Private trading community on Telegram. Also, you get access to our live weekly Forex trading boot camps held on Saturdays. I was going to charge $495, but I decided that I'll give a little discount. I probably will start charging $495 depending, how many members I get going forward. But it's going to be $295 access, which is going to be lifetime access. Okay. If you want to do a monthly, let me know. I'll tell you what the monthly would be. But at the same time, everybody that's already in my private chat right now on Facebook will get access to this all at no charge, no additional charge. But if you want the bot, you will have to pay for the bot. So, yeah, going forward, if you want the trading bot, there'll be a cost for that, where you guys can get access to the trading bot. Okay, you can pay with Cash App, you can pay with Zelle. You don't have Cash App, you click this yellow button here and you get Cash App, where you can forward your payment. I am the site owner. That's my phone number if you got questions or concerns. When you start becoming very profitable and successful from what you've learned, go ahead and start a challenge to one of the prop firms that I have recommended on here. And lastly, the savings program. Grab some savings by clicking this yellow button here. Okay, and there's also some money that you can actually grab for yourself as well, absolutely free. All right, so when you get a chance, go to that link. I'll put it in the comments section. That way you can save it for yourself. There it is. I'll be buying a domain name for it, so that's coming soon through GoDaddy. Okay, the next thing I want to show you is this. I've been a referral through Warrior Plus that allowed me to make over $900. Okay, pending is $532. I can cash out right now $420.44. So how I made this money is by becoming a free affiliate with Warrior Plus. Grab the product or two, start promoting it on my YouTube channel, and I'll show you exactly what video did I create to earn that money. Okay, because I'm part of Live Good, and while I was talking about Live Good in this video, okay, what happened was I shared in this video my lead vendors. And let me let this go through here. Skip the ad. Okay. So I just was talking about Live Good. And in this video, I was talking about my lead vendors that I use to promote Live Good. And beknownst to me, I was really shocked because I actually put the link to the lead vendors in my description, and it said here, need leads, go here. And what they did was they would click on this link, and it took them directly to one of my lead vendors, and people started buying traffic to their lead capture page and so on and so forth. and it's called systems exclusive traffic. So if you want to make some extra money, become an affiliate of this program and create a video on YouTube and tell people based on keywords, right? Tell people where they can purchase their traffic. And I had gotten a lot of people coming to this website and just buying traffic. I mean, there's standard packages, bronze packages, silver packages, and people were buying traffic left and right. And then what happened was I started getting referral commissions from people buying traffic, $67, $27, $11, $13, and it just blew up. I was like, wow, okay. So now I have some money to trade with, right? That's why I did that. All right. So that's one way to get some funds, not coming out of your paycheck, not coming out of, the money you have that you use to pay for your bills for your house. These are just extra dollars that you could use. A portion of this will go to my trading account, right? So I could start trading with these funds. So yeah, so basically that's what I did with that. Let me see. I also created this link here that was been getting a lot of traffic. These are where I put all my affiliate network programs that I promote. My mission is to help 100 individuals and families earn $10,000 a month. And yeah, this is where I put all my affiliate links. And when people sign up for any one of these affiliate links or get traffic, I get a commission. And that's pretty much what I do. I create a YouTube channel and I talk about these different affiliate programs. And with keywords, people come to the YouTube channel. If they like what they see, they go ahead and sign up, which is really cool, which is extra income. So just to show you real quick. Let's see. Yeah. Just to show you real quick. This is my spreadsheet. My Live Good commissions has grown to $365. My solo ad business, which is the lead vendors, has grown to 1,114. There's a few of them that I promote. And this is another lead vendor that I promote that actually give you verified phone numbers, email addresses, and so on and so forth. I got 2 people to sign up for that. I made $30. Legal Shield, I still promote Legal Shield. I made a sale the other day. I made $101. Guaranteed Leads IO, I got 2 referrals from there. Made $75 per referral. Made $150 there. Haven't made any money on the Come Up system yet, but it's on there. It's listed. Upgrade is a banking system. When somebody signs up for their banking platform, I made $100 commission per person that signed up. Now it's $50, so they dropped it from $100 to $50, which is okay, but I made $200 just referring that banking platform called Upgrade. There's a referral link. Once you sign up for Upgrade, you get access to their referral link. Okay, and then I have MIF, multiple income funnel. I may sign up one person on that, and I got $20 referral commission. And then My Lead Gen is an email platform that gives you 100 emails per day. Over time, I made over $512 with this. So if I add up everything that I made in referral commissions, it's over $2,494.95. Okay, and I also take a portion of that money and I throw into M1, which is my mutual fund portfolio, and that's already got $1,006.60 in total so far, $3,695. So what I'm going to do is open up a live trading account and just put $500 in there, and then grow that account through trading the Forex market and also indices. So I wanted to share that with you guys because, it's something that I've been working on. Probably why you haven't seen me so active in the chat is because of putting all this stuff together, and now it's finally done. Okay, so now now that I share that with you guys, let's go to the charts and talk about exactly what my trading plan is and what you guys should be looking for in the market. Like I mentioned earlier, it's all about discipline and it's all about being patient. Okay. I normally trade, I do a top-down analysis, right? You guys already know that. I start from pretty much the monthly. Okay, we do the monthly. We take a look at where the market's going. This is NAS 100. You take a look at where the market's going right now. It's retracing, right? Right. But at the same time, if you go ahead and put your support resistance levels, okay, you'll notice that where are the levels? This is called support. Okay, this is called resistance, right? But what happens is this was the last time actually. This was the last time the market retraced, right? During that month. This is a monthly chart. So if you look at the last time the market retraced, which is right here, okay, so blue is a bear market, is going down here, right? White is bull, so blue is bear. So if I put an indicator or a line right there, which is the line of support, I could put that there and say, okay, if the market retraces and breaks this key level right here and comes back and touches that line, okay, as it did, okay, because right here it closed below. I don't know if you guys can see that. Make it bigger. Okay, so this is the last time it retraced. Then you have a spinning top at the top, or shooting star, or however way you want to look at it. Shooting star, which is a reversal candle, right? Bible, Bible. You guys got to read the Bible, candlestick Bible, right? You'll know that this is a shooting star. It's a reversal candle, and with a bearish engulfing candle, which engulf this particular candle. And once you start seeing things like this, you can anticipate a downward pull to the market, right? Starting to reverse on the downward side. So what happens is this level right here, okay, it broke through it, closed below it. So number one, this told us this is a reversal. Number two, this closed below. You got two confluences there. So those two confluences is, okay, wait for a retracement, okay? And did it actually continue to go up? No, right? Because it reversed, and then now you have another candle with another confirmation that the reversal is happening right here, okay? Right here. All right, so now what do we know? We know that if we put if we do this, we know that we're in a down market, right? We know that we're in a down market. All right. All right, because if you look at this right here, this candle is a gravestone, okay? So this gravestone, come March 1st, if it opens below this gravestone, it's a continuation of a downward market, okay? So that's one way to, put a timer or set your calendar to say, hey, March 1st, if that candle closes below the gravestone, it's going to continue its downward momentum, okay? If it goes above, you want to make sure that, it goes up and then comes back and retests this particular line here that I'm going to put right now. Retest this line right here. All right. Right there. So if it does one of these numbers, you got to pay close attention. If it opens, goes up, comes down, touches this line and goes up, then you have a continuation of an uptrend. If it doesn't do that, and does one of these numbers, opens below this candle, right? Comes back and touches this line and goes back down, you have a continuation of a downward trend, okay? But as you can see right here, it's in consolidation, okay? It's in a box right here, okay? So you just got to watch it. All right, so if you break it down weekly, what do you see? Okay. You see that it broke this line here, this trend line, right? Came up, hit this line right here. So Interesting, but it's breaking through it. And another, here's a gravestone right there. Okay, so that's another gravestone. So let's continue to go downward here. Daily, what's it doing? Okay, so it's bouncing off this line, 4 hour. Now it's below the line. Okay, can't make this stuff up, guys. Now it's below the line. You see how it went below the line? Now, what I'm looking for is a retouch of that line, then come back down for it to continue to its downward trend, because we're in a downward trend according to the monthly. Okay, and then we look at the hourly, and 30 minutes, as you can see, is trying to get back to that line, right? 15-minute is in consolidation. Okay, it's in consolidation. All right, so usually in consolidation, what you want to do is put a box around it. It's one of the things I do is put a box around consolidation levels where it's consolidating. So I start here, hold all the way over, and put a box on it. So I'm waiting for a breakout. Okay, breakout for the upside to hit this line here. Okay, so that would be take profit 1 or breakout below. Okay, and retests right here. Okay, so if it breaks down, retests the line, is a continuation of a downward trend. If it breaks out above, okay, comes back and retests these levels, it stretches out right here. Right here, if it breaks out, 2 things to look out for. Where is it? Oh, okay. 2 things to look out for. Boom, breakout, come back, touch this line, and then head up to take profit number 1. Okay. The other one is coming down, breakout, retest the line, and then continuous trend downward. Okay, so that's how you look at it. Okay. Hopefully that was helpful. Let me know if it was. I'll continue to teach you guys exactly how to mark up your charts, what to wait for, because you got to be patient now, right? It's all about being patient. You don't want to take a trade inside this box. It's not going to profit you anything. You want to wait for a breakout now. You want to wait for a breakout. And usually you want to take your trade in a 15-minute, because each one of these candles will take 15 minutes to close. You can take a look at the 5-minute, but don't get distracted. There's a lot of noise on the 5-minute, the 3-minute, and the 1-minute, but you take your trade in the 15-minute. Anywhere on the up, if it anywhere on the breakouts, you got to wait for the breakout to happen. Okay, and once you see a breakout, don't go ahead and try to enter the trade on a breakout. Wait for the retest. It's going to come back and touch the breakout line, and then continue its trend either upward or downward. So hopefully that was helpful. Hopefully that was clear. If it made sense, let me know. But this is some of the stuff that you guys will be learning going forward, and it works for me. And yeah, so discipline is really, really important. Being patient is very important as well, and the psychology of it all, because it may take, some time to get to where you want it to go. But if you are patient enough to wait for the pattern to happen based on your trading plan, that's when you take the trade. Okay, that's when you take the trade. So you already know what you're looking for. You just got to wait for it to develop, and once it develops, that's when you take that trade. Okay, so with that being said, I'm going to stop recording and let you guys know that I appreciate you for being on. Thank you for watching the video if you're watching the replay, and yeah, let's continue our journey to profitability in the Forex market. Thanks for watching, everyone. Hold on.